Here we have 3 bending machines from HARSLE, one of the best bending machines in China. This machine is 125 tons, 160 centimeters wide. And this machine is 200 tons with a width of 250 centimeters. The machine are equipped with a very nice controller, easy to use, very friendly. And also we bought from HARSLE the best tools and for forming, for offset and for everything. And here, last but not least, we have the 220-ton machine, 3 meters and 20 centimeters wide. And here we're talking about the 30-ton, 1 meter wide machine. Very versatile and very nice machine to work. It has multiple dies and multiple punches and works very fast. Now our big shearing machine that cuts 6 mm sheet metal, stainless steel, galvanized steel and mild steel. It's an NC program, very easy to use, very easy to handle, and it's very and with a back gauge from behind.